The Bombay High Court has allowed the entry of women into the inner sanctum of Mumbai's Haji Ali Dargah. The court directed the state to give necessary protection to women there. Petitioner in the Haji Ali Dargah case, Zakia Soman, has expressed happiness over the decision and said that this is a great step towards justice for Muslim women. For more on this, we are now joined by correspondent Yogesh Sheetal. Yogesh, a landmark judgment there by the Bombay High Court. It's being seen as justice having been won for women throughout the country.
Definitely, this is a landmark judgment. If we just talk about the discrimination that we are witnessing, and definitely newspapers and also in different mediums, that what kind of discrimination currently India is facing. Let me tell you precisely about this particular judgment. Division bench of Bombay High Court, consisting Justice V.M. Kanade and also Justice Revati Mohiti Dere, have pronounced the judgment and specifically said that there are three articles: Articles 14, which is right to equality, and Article 15, there should be no discrimination on the ground of race, on the ground of sex, on the ground of gender, on the ground of place of birth, on the ground of religion also, and also the third article, Article 21, that ensures right to liberty and right to life. So these three articles have been violated because of the ban that has been imposed by the Haji Ali Trust. So the ban has been put aside. Now the also important thing that the court had also directed the state government to ensure that there should be no violation and equal rights must be granted as per the Constitution of India. Now the second thing which is important, that 6 weeks time has been granted. However, 8 weeks time was demanded by the trustee, but a 6 weeks time has been granted to appeal the judgment to the upper court, which is definitely the Supreme Court of India. So at this point in time, definitely this is a major judgment. If you just talk about these three articles, because very recently, a few months back, we have seen the similar verdict by the Bombay High Court in terms in relation to Shani Shingnapur Temple. The same case, the same nature of case,
right.
The same content, but the judgment, definitely this is a landmark judgment. We just talk about the discrimination with women in religious place. Yes, Rukma.
Right, and meanwhile, you had also told us that the Dargah authorities are planning to approach the higher court because as clearly they are not happy with the decision. What does this mean? Will it be implemented? Will the practice of women being able to enter, having the freedom to enter the inner sanctum, will it be there as long as the case is on? How does this work?
It's a legal process, legal exercise, that a particular time has been granted to the party that has been agreed party that wants the judgment or verdict to be challenged to the upper court. So this is basically a legal practice. Definitely, by that time there will be a stay of the order that has been pronounced today by the Bombay High Court. Only 6 weeks. 6 weeks time has been granted to for appeal by the Haji Ali Trust. So by that particular time, by that period of time, definitely there will be a stay of the order that has been pronounced today. But what happens later, definitely the matter is in the court of the Supreme Court. So now by Bombay High Court, the order has been pronounced. Now it is a legal procedure that a particular time has been given as per the law. So now let's see what happens in the Supreme Court. Yeah,
Right, Yogesh. Well, thank you very much for joining us there and for giving us those